everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Liz, and today I'm going to show you what is in my bag. Is this a backpack? One of those? It's going to be like a what's in my purse type of video. I know when I was first starting to watch YouTube, I thought these videos were really fun, so I decided that I wanted to do that today. And I know we're not really going out as much as we used to, but I just wanted to show you what I keep in my bag at all times, and I just thought it would be something fun to pass the time. So if you're interested in this type of video, go ahead and just keep on watching. First things first is, let me scooch on over so I can kind of get the bag in this area. So first things first is the type of bag that I have. So this is a Coach backpack. I'm not really sure if this is a small or a medium size. I didn't really look it up. My mom got this for me for Christmas last year, so this past year, so I've been using it since Christmas Day because I literally moved in the next hour that I opened it, and I have been using this bag ever since. I really wanted a backpack because the shoulder bags just get kind of tiring, and the crossbody bags also kind of get kind of tiring. They just either hit my hip really weird because I'm short, or they just don't, they're not comfortable. So I got this backpack. It does have two straps. I was looking for one that had removable straps. I was actually kind of looking for one that had a removable strap to kind of go over the end to make it like a carry on the side or carry on the shoulder type of bag, but I couldn't find one. But my mom got me this one, and I'm in love with it, and I've been using it ever since. So it does have chain straps, and they are adjustable at the bottom. There is a buckle, and I think there's about 7 notches. So if you wanted to make it longer or shorter, I have made it longer so that it just hits right above like where my back meets my butt. So that is how low I wear mine. It does have a little tassel on the strap that says Coach, and then the front is a magnetic flap. So you have like a little button, but the flap is magnetic and it will stick to the button and snap. So I really like this. It has little tassels, and what I really like about the snap part is that they made it so that the tassels can go inside this little loop, and that way your tassels aren't like flailing about. They're kind of contained in one area. So this is a drawstring, and then we'll get into the bag in just a second, because the outside I actually have something hanging on here, which is my hand sanitizer. So this is the vanilla coconut PocketBac antibacterial hand gel, 1 fluid ounce. This is Bath and Body Works, and it has a little holder. I got this little holder from a coworker from Christmas, so the managers gave gifts. So this is what I have on the outside, and now we're gonna go inside. So in my front pockets, I have a couple things. I have 2 front pockets, so I'm just going through one. The first thing I have is this Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm. This has SPF 20 and it is in the flavor Black Cherry. This actually, I have a ton of. I think I have like 4 or 5 of these laying around, and I have one in my bag and one in my nightstand, one in my work bag. I have them everywhere. So this is my favorite lip balm. It has SPF 25 for, you know, the SPF on your lips so your lips don't get darker. So this is something that I carry with me always in any bag, any situation. I wish I had a holder for this so that I could keep it outside too. The second thing that I had in that pocket was another PocketBac antibacterial hand sanitizer. This is in the scent Summer Sale, which I think it just smells kind of like, it's like fresh and watery. And I got this at Bath and Body Works too. I just have a ton of these laying around just in case we need it, because whenever we do go out, we try to sanitize as much as possible. So the next pocket I'm going through, I have a Becca mirror. This is a double-sided mirror. I don't think either side is magnified. Wait, it looks like this side is probably magnified. So this is kind of like a magnetic closing type of mirror. I had a different one in here that was from a Birchbox I got a really long time ago, but it didn't close, so I was scared that the mirror was going to break, so I switched it out for this when I got this from work. The next thing I had in that second pocket was my Smith & Wesson all-purpose. I don't know if it's a utility knife or if it's just a knife, a pocket knife type of thing. So I carry this in my purse. This does have this type of blade on it. So it's got like the serrated side and then just the regular blade side. This does have a belt clip. So if I'm not carrying it in my bag, I'm actually wearing it on my person. And it does have the little like push to close type of little notch thing. On the other side, it looks like a paper cutter or like a letter opener, but it's actually a seatbelt cutter. So I really thought this knife would be useful in a desperate situation. If I was to get kidnapped or something, I could literally just cut off the seatbelt. And then this part is the window breaker. So if you are getting kidnapped in a car, you can cut your seatbelt off and then break the window and just throw yourself at the car. So I carry this with me all the time. Okay, those were the side pockets. Let me see the back pockets. If it's not just lady things. Yeah, there's a couple of lady things. So I won't show you the lady things, but they are back there. Next I have a flashlight, which is pretty bright. I think this is a bottle opener end, so I keep this in my backpack too, you know, just in case. You never know if you'll need a flashlight for any type of situation that you are in. And then I have an extra key, and then my husband's key for his car. And then I have this Kalo ring holder. If you saw my empties video, you'll know that I got the Kalo rings that are the silicone rings, and this is a little pouch that they come with. So it has like a little clip for you to clip it onto your keys, or you can clip it onto your bag or gym bag or whatever you want to clip it onto. So these hold your rings. So I have this in here in case I ever need to put my rings away. I have a little pouch for them. So that is going to be in the back pouch. Next I have my key, Australia by Desi Perkins. These are the high key, not minis, just regular high key, and they are polarized. I got these for Christmas 2 Christmases ago, so not this past one but the one before, and I have not stopped wearing these. These are my favorite sunglasses. I don't really follow Desi that much anymore or agree with what she says, but I really like the sunglasses that she came out with. So if I'm ever able to get my hands on another pair, I'm probably going to get one if it ever goes on sale or anything like that. So I'm looking out for these because these fit my face perfectly. They don't touch my cheeks when I smile. They're just a really good sunglass, and they keep out all the brightness. Okay, next thing I am pulling out, I have tissues on hand, just Dollar Tree tissues in a pack. And then I have a bottle of alcohol. So this is 90% alcohol, I believe. And I had this spray bottle from something that I bought a long time ago, so I just kind of kept it. And if I don't ever have my sanitizer to use on hand, or if I need to wipe something, I have this in a spray, and I just have been wiping down like carts and stuff with this. So I've been keeping that in my bag too. Next I have my wallet, which is this little card holder type thing. So I have all my cards in here. I have a house key, and then I have my Aldi avocado, which holds my quarter for Aldi. So I always have a quarter ready to go. Next I have my keys that have not been on the key holder for a while because I'm just holding them. So I have a car key, another house key, and then I have my pepper spray that I got recently. Oops, it's not locked. But I have pepper spray in my bag, as well as a knife and a flashlight. So always be prepared, ladies. This is a random Dunkin' Donuts napkin. And a lot of glitter on the bottom for my wallet. Next I have my AirPods. If they're not in my bag, they're with me in my phone or something. So I got this case at Target. It's one of those Heyday brand cases that they make, and it just really holds it really well. It's got a top and bottom, and then the back part is rubber. This is for you to push the button to do the Bluetooth syncing. And then it does have a key ring holder if I wanted to put it on my keys or put it on my pants or something like that. So have those in there. I think this one for last because this is just a Ziploc reusable bag that has like a zipper, and it's a lot thicker than a regular Ziploc, but I have makeup in here. So we're going to go through the Ziploc of makeup. Get back in center. First thing in here is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Give Me Mocha. This is a really good shade on me. It's almost like this shade, but it's a little bit more brown. Then I have the NARS Orgasm Lip Gloss. This is a mini size that I got in a pack with that and like the 3-in-1 blush Orgasm. I have Jimmy Choo Low Travel Spray. That one's really good. It's like a floral fruity scent. I have Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ashton liquid lipstick. And this one I can take to work, which is why it has green dot on the bottom. And then I have Dose of Colors One and Only from the Dose of Colors Mickey collection. And this is a lip gloss that's really nice. It's a really nice color on me. It's like a nice brown. I have Tarte Big Ego. This is one that came with the lash curler that I mentioned in my empties. And it is a mascara. So I have this as a sample / travel size for my little bag. And then I keep the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed. This is translucent. It's a pressed poreless poreless powder. So this is what it looks like. And then I keep the brush that came with it on the bottom. So if I need to touch up, I just have the powder and the brush all in one in a little compact. And when I run out of this, I will just take the brush out and use it elsewhere. Alright, I shoved everything back in here, so that is going to be it for what's in my bag. Thankfully, I didn't have a lot of trash in there, but like I said, we haven't been going out that much, so usually I'll have like receipts and straw wrappers and just random stuff that we have from going out, and we don't see a trash can and we don't want to litter, so we just throw it in my bag. But yeah, so that is going to be the end of this video. I will try and link everything down below. If not, I will just list it and let you guys know where I found it. That way you can kind of Google search yourself. But yeah, so that's going to be what's in my bag. That's the only bag I have. That's the only bag I can show you what's in. I had a work bag, but we're not really using that right now, so I don't think I will be showing you what's in there. Kind of the same things though, with like chapstick, lipstick, and then like my ring holder, and maybe if it gets a little more full, I will show you, and if you're interested to see what's in my work bag. But this is what's in my regular bag, and a lot of these items are transferable to my regular work bag, just so that I have easy switch. I don't keep my work stuff in here because if I need my work stuff and I don't have my bag, I'm screwed. So this is just kind of like normal everyday what's in my bag. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you are doing well. I hope you're staying safe, and I hope you're staying healthy. We haven't really been going out, so I might have to go on an adventure tomorrow, but that is the only outing that I'm going to be doing probably all week. So yeah, I will be back on here again soon to show you guys a couple more things. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if you would like to hit the notification bell, go ahead so that you are notified when I post more videos. But I will see you guys in the next video.